Angelo. Finally, ay nag-iwan ako. Yay! Good morning! It's our day 3 and we are now on our way to the front desk. Nakalangin natin if may breakfast. If wala, then we'll be taking our brunch and go home na! Pero may papakita po na ako sa inyo because look at this! They have here the history of Boracay Image Gallery. See? This is what Boracay looks like in 1979. So, ayun po mga kabangpang, and I hope you enjoyed our trip here in Boracay. I am really thankful for this opportunity to celebrate the milestone of my classmate Charmaine and of course, to meet my subscriber Angelo. Unfortunately, hindi tayo nagkita but I really enjoyed eating eggplant in Charles Seafood Grill and restaurant. And I hope to see you again, probably not soon, but anytime when I'll be back here in Boracay. So, ang ganda ng pool. I wanna make ligo na. Ay, yung secret ko na sabi ko. And then we also have here the restaurant. Mga kabangbang, just a short update. Umuulan po. Makakaligo pa kaya ako nito? O iinom na lang talaga ako ng kape. Babalikan lang natin yung baso mamaya. Ah! Nag-stop na mag-rain so we can take a bath. So excited. Check out na tayo. Yes, and that's Daniel. Bye-bye, Daniel. Did you enjoy your stay in Boracay?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Tapos ako, hanap tayo ng plastic for our wet clothes. Alright, see you at the port. Nakalimutan natin yung tripod, so we are going back to the hotel. Hopefully, nandun pa siya sa poolside. And ayun, after effect of so many anesthesia surgery. Come on! My tripod is not here. Gintago ni Manong. Thank you so much. It is very important for my vlogging career. Thank you! May mawawala sa'yo. Siguradong iba ibabalik. Thank you, Manong. Bye-bye! Yay! I'm so happy! Let's go back na. And let's eat our lunch. So here's the shuttle. 8 o'clock. 11, then we got 4 and 8. My cousins are here at Nazareth. Third floor, Maggie. Dire. Thank you. And shout out sa aking mga pulmo nurses. Thank you for taking care of me after my COVID long COVID journey. I can now climb the stairs. 3rd floor kami. I'm currently here at the 2nd floor. Tapos the 3rd floor. Cool! Look at that! Tingnan natin. Hello! 3rd floor. Upstairs. Wow! And here. Let's look for them. I found my tripod! I'm so happy! I found my tripod! Beef and chicken. Hindi na shy si Daniel subong. So, we got 3 dips. We have here garlic, red pepper. And this one is, I don't know. Thank you so much.
Allergic ka no sa lukon?
Allergic ko sa seafood, pero basta fresh, hindi. So, I bet Meserac gives you fresh seafood kasi I don't feel an allergetic reaction.
Allergic.
I recorded. Last time kita niya kung vlog, we were celebrating his birthday, and that time I did not took any photo or video of myself because I got my tooth surgery. So ngayon, I'm fine. So I can eat with you guys. Now let's try the chicken. Here's our garlic sauce. Namit. Hindi ako judge na nito.
Pero dami kaya mga sauces.
Agree. Para sa mga vegetarian, meron tayong veggies.
Pero may higyan sa rasa dyan.
Let's try the grilled pork belly. Usually, di ba fried siya, niya grilled. Kag may barbecue sauce. You know, I love sauces. Bistan wala sauce namin siya. Perfect. Duwakan, tada yun sa rice. Turmeric rice. Bali akong taga-ubusan nila pagkaon. So kung kailangan sa taga-kaon, pwede nyo ko ma-invite and squash. O diba? Most of the food, you pair it with potatoes, but they got squash in here. Ang sarap. Matiga lang siya, pero naman.
Flatbread?
Yeah, flatbread is better with their barbecue sauce. I love it.
Super constant.
Speaking of constant, since best friend ka,
Oh my God!
dog na, pinakontemplate mo na.
Puro na ako na kami pandemic acid. Ay, makain mga painkillers.
At dahil sinabi mo yan, you worth to be the first person to know.
Ano? Wait, what's this? Wait, what's this? Wait, what's this? Wait, okay. There's a reason why I did not go to medicine. What is this? It doesn't look inflamed though, which is good.
Actually, this should be a prank, but thank you.
Girl. Okay, first of all, I know what a pregnancy scare looks like. I've been in one. The joke.
Love it.
See, I knew this was not it.
I know, right? I know, right? It's not me. Kita mo, ang friend ko, classmate ko in photography did not even believe me. Thank you for not believing me.
Okay.
Abi ko bata. Sorry, ko ka Prank na siya, joke lang. Amo nang bukol sa kun bagang.
Bagang.
Okay, pwede nga. Yeah, congratulations. Nagano na kun bagang. Thank you. Congrats. Congrats. Okay, pwede na ko kakain naman.
Naghanap ako for a few seconds. Kasi baka lang, gusto mo nabigla sa kanya. Sabi na iya kasi may swimming pool na dito.
Sa namin, hindi naman signal ko ano mag-chimpo.
Tama pa, pagkita ko kayo ni Tristan kagabi. Sa party. Pili na ako kapasar, mag-ito ng star. Pag-Gangnam Style. Hindi na entrance. Sige? Pati dirang entrance?
Sakto din.
Tourist plane. We are now going back to the island of Panay. Here at the port, all you have to pay is the terminal fee worth 150 pesos and your boat for 50 pesos. Wala na po tayong environmental fee. And now, excited na akong umuwi sa bahay. Bye-bye!
Go.
We are seat number 31.
34.
Ay, sa likod tayo. This is my seat, 31. If you have a car, you could leave it here at E&M Car Park. 250 pesos per night. Meron ding ibang car parks. Same rate, 250 per night. Meron ding public open space dun sa port kung saan libre. It is where I left my car last year when I went to Kaluya Island. Alright, we're now here.
Libre na lang isa kanay.
Dropping by Banga for some coffee. We'll buy brewed coffee. Thank you, Gil. Bye. We're on our way now to Roa City. Kasama si Osmond and Vaughn. Alright, bye-bye. Channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pinduta ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!